Disclaimer: this activity is done only for educational purposes. No harm was intended for the real game. So guys, this is the tutorial for 414 HP. Let's start. So today we are modding MySLR. Start GG. Follow my finger movement. Remember the normal HP. Select the shellcode app. Search up 641 HP. Select float. Edit to 414 HP. Search up 820 Nm of the car. Edit to 2300. Search 3000 inner Nm. Edit to 7989. Search 650. Edit to 8000. Reset tuning. Let's test IT. Look guys, 1.67 is far better than for Sexstock. Guys, if you found this video informative, drop a like and subscribe.